Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will discuss about how to fix text message not receiving on any iPhone. Guys, if you are facing this problem, so keep watching this video until the end. First of all, open setting application appears on screen, and make sure check your internet connection is available. For checking internet connection, open YouTube application. Here you can see my YouTube application is working. It means my internet connection is secure and working. Simply then open setting application. Here you can see, scroll down, and here tap on message application, tap on it, and first of all turn off iMessage from here. Now after few seconds turn on back. Now scroll down and find send as SMS. You can see appears on screen. Scroll down and turn on from here, send as SMS. If turn on before, now turn off and turn on. You can see appears on screen. Now go back from here and now check your update. Tap on journal and tap on software update. If update is available, now update your iPhone. Now last method is and working method. Here you can see, open journal, tap on it and scroll down, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset, and tap on reset network setting. Guys, doing reset network setting, any problem inside your mobile will be solved after reset network setting. I hope your problem will be solved after this setting. And guys, please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.